Welcome to Porcupine Stand here on YouTube with Silverenra. Na yedi interview with Yawano of Yawano near the Bremo. And you will run Seminumna and run some how do I enter me from by an idea. I abuano and Jete Eba Sumwo. Okon Kraya and Yasem Kitwa had to focus in Pina Coso, but I don't know. Say, Upeso who and Ram meet in a house in Penny for a year. Any DSC no I call the other channel, which is SOT football. Over call na yama Porcupine Stand the Asante Kotoko himself. And it's a person who blasters squad no info am sources the amame on players are ever joining Blasters World Cup 2026. Mexico, Canada, and US no I call SOT football. Foreign transfer news. No, I call SOTV football. Local transfer news. No, so but I have a Porcupine Stand where we talk about just Asante Kotoko and only Asante Kotoko. Now, Kwesiada Kotoko against Hartlepool at the Barbara Sports Stadium. Exactly 3 p.m. match on air basso. Game no yeah dicey because both teams and a good position on the league table. Enti enibre wo match no enye enibre ketwa. Na mami fa Chelsea match on komo kakra nsomo. Ansa na mawura mu on se Kotoko ni Chelsea no na Jao Isa oye the goalkeeper trainer for Asante Kotoko. Kwesiada na memene dan na Richmond Lamptey. Deputy captain for Kotoko na ne papa eda form na omo peno krabe. On crying and important videos, ne pictures about Bontia, when your commander graphics na or can be on and pinkra akwasi ewa na when ya Enoch Morrison, Andrew Sintimenu, Frederick Asare, Rocky Jamana, na Fuseni Sahakuna na Benina Muamina, Ekota, Richmond Lamtechi, Nana from the technical team na Jao Isa said na on also our hope a lot of questions. And I about Dintin and Ajao Kotoko game. Now when Tinyan Kobi. Now last week Mukai update I hope one year mama on this page concerning Asante Kotoko any brekum Chelsea in Komobia Koso na threat ni bia Koso no Asante Kotoko. Enya an advice from the security bodies. Say in somehow do a Koso ewa brekum no na Jao Isa say omude ne bawa wa hwe ya na akofa nsem piaba. So security aspect in Penifo to Kotoko. And until a man fan Naja uncle. Na news I'm picking from Brukum near say na a man for nam and not say. Send ye maybe a champion nature man K5 ni chumdin come ewo. Doma trip no say na a man for the pictures na man na K5 womb na chum womb na Alexander men womb. No way near simple for the pictures nam say Brukum omo he Naja na a man for again say be better stance. Phenomenal stance more channel. So it was a good decision from that Asante Kotoko setup. Said Omutu Kwai no man fan Naja one call. Na Isa Medusono news I'm a picky and say when Yanni Tira and Shed didim ewo Brekum na Penifo say Brekum supporters ni be say na Drushen home. Inti equipment officer for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And also Oma Mane Ura Park and so ama ball any coons so kwahyehyɛ no omo anti asia mananko nti omo yiro panyine no e ma ni gina bonten, and that is the news no so feel but nti brekum no a lot of things they see behind the scenes but ubisa na Jao ni Isa Medua the woman metimi di ama no ena mede ama kama eno a Kotoko ye recovery na omo ye training 1-1 training me kan 1-1 anopa baako awia baako. Sorry, anopa and normally back and so back. Now after the training, a lot of conversations in the course, a lot of meetings in the course, Mrantiano Edition come to know exactly what to do moving forward. For Asante Kotoko, on say Kotoko recorded a defeat and they need close to 7 points to stay out of the relegation conversation. And unti the eba medema on say players ndin komono omo se ahube hia say kwesi adam be din kunima ma Asante Kotoko na me adoma ya wada the playing board of Asante Kotoko should expect say key personalities best started APM Ewo Adakwajache to speak to the players and also to motivate the players ahead of this particular game Omobo against Hearts of Folk. Now, for now, I cannot confirm, but in Tiani Biabase, one year, the last 2 a year training section of Asante Kotoko bit me akoso ewo at a Baba Sports Stadium. Let me state it, it's unconfirmed. Inti menya abotre mumma me out to bear and benada by bear yawada. Meet me a confirm one hour numre ukwade numre. Meet me the confirmation about whether Kotoko be training. The last 2 training sessions will be Saturday morning and Friday afternoon war a Baba Sports Stadium or not. But the home seminar but that is a story from a source. But the American semi-young confirm free a kukudam for no I know I am a code to no unconfirmed a yet report. I may pick it say on which will not be bad for Kotoko because pitch, I still have issues with so training 7 days for baby. Now last day Baba Beach in a park, so Banasa now one opponent, apart from supporters, no stadium, Yabo. They say home away from home, this it will not be a bad idea, but like I said, it has not been confirmed at the moment. Say, meet me, made me stamp this so bad. A source, and then I do my pen or this our story, at the Emma. The good news is that Rocky Jamana at me has started training for Kumase Asante Kotoko. On say Rocky, Osha Kotoko friend your mobile against Pro City. And now Pro Sports last week Wednesday, a year the Adakwajache Sports Complex. Sorry, last week Tuesday, and then now na Kotoko game friendly, na onune jinemu in place of Andrew Sintimenu, but Osako Peke knock into Wentimian Kobe. But the good news is we started training this week. It is expected say Don Tedeku ebe kike ball for Kumasi Asante Kotoko so ni team I light training and the air so be kike ball for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And the Rocky Gamana's return and John Tedeku's return. Nina stories are made and then every and no pay Henry Ansu has started gym work. That is what my sources is telling me. Last week they confirmed mom said Chelsea game not to me Kobe because now also need support. Need support on share anybody. I started gym work. As to say obetimi about has game, it's a different story altogether. But that is the progress and the good news about on Abrante Henry Ansu, a yet defender from Kotoko, dependable one, signed from Brekum Chelsea. Not a good season, but when a good day out, me deliver a Jumano Emma Asante Kotoko, ewe malaria and aha Isaac Opon didn't connect naba Nicholas say a fit, but the news coming in say Opon also regaining fitness as started full training. And also enya sem keto ekoso ewo Asante Kotoko side. You go soon monitor the state of strategy Eric say also around the 31st minute. Last week na me catch them say picking knock with training grounds. And around the 31st minute, coach a friend Ogum ni free mu Emma Nicholas Mensah ebesi akan because na nye positive sir, but me the mama say bibia start koye nti egusu monitor Rich Zeze and Richmond Lamte on say Monday ebuka nti ene enumre ehwe nim say Lamte ba be dru Kumase na ha say efiri ochene kono obetimi team na train whether technical team be man some days off. So be regaining a psychological fitness. Because you could see papa and ye edumaketwa. The way so bit regaining a psychological fitness. Until you go monitoring na recreation and so. Set 20-man squad no and ya dia. You didn't bebremo. In case of monitor training report no more on Porcupine no and more exactly what is said to happen at the Baba Sports Stadium Adoma Sunday. Until we are and umre Ebesan Buano Edia Baba Som. Bye bye.